Assalamu alaikum friend. This area is our company cement factory. This schoolyard our company is very good. Alhamdulillah. Today we will discuss about. Hello everyone. Welcome to back our channel. In today this video we will explain the auto self-diagnosing system of Komatsu Dozer D375-5. In this video you will learn what is the auto self-diagnosing system, what are its benefits, how to check error code through the monitor, and especially can communication related error code 1939, which code and goes not permanent. So please watch the video till the end. The auto self-diagnosing system is the built-in system in Komatsu Dozer. This system continuously monitors engine, sensor, wiring, controller and communication lines. If any signal missing, voltage is abnormal or communication fails, this system automatically generated an error code on the monitor. This helps technician quickly identify the problem. The main benefit of this system are no need to open the machine first, save the troubleshooting time, fault location becomes easy, no guesswork technician, reduce repair cost. That's why this system is very useful in heavy equipment. Now we will enter the diagnosing mode from the monitor panel. First we open the switch. And we start, then continue this video. We want to try to start but did not crank. Now we start. Before we try to start but because did not start, because this driver when he off the machine he already have reverse gear. I did not check this gear. We try to start but did not crank. If they have this safety system, if they have this gear, then did not start. Now we test this error code. See this red light, it shows that they have some error in it. We try to diagnose. We will show you there are downside one switch. Auto self-diagnosing system. Test this switch. We open the power. See there have one switch. We want to open this one. Now we open. And also we use this switch display. Then we move this right and left side, then showing screen with code. We already checked this code. They see this code 1939. That means scan communication related to this error code. When he comes back this code, then the machine go to leak mode, then accelerator did not take proper accelerator, half accelerator, and machine did not work properly. Test without computer vision this code, the onset diagnosing system 19393. They show screen display 1939. We have checked its error code before it was coming and going at the time as well. Now in this video we will show you live how we diagnose this issue step by step. and how we properly fix it. We will professionally test the CAN communication system by checking CAN wiring connection, continuity, power and ground supply, CAN resistance values and data communication between the ECM and the monitor. We read the code from the monitor. Now we will check it in the catalog and continue troubleshooting without using a computer. We are showing all this to explain how a normal technician can quickly read an error code without computer, check the information in catalog and solve the fault in short time. Now you see in display we are fully accelerated but reduce acceleration when we are fully accelerated. See display is now properly reduced in half accelerator. When this machine is good, no have any error, then it's properly accelerated here and we will properly load. Now you see this in display accelerated water level sensor warning also always have. Now we will go back in workshop, then we see in catalog, then we continue this video. This Dozer D375A-5. Now we come back in our workshop, and we uh, we will show you this catalog Dozer D375. I have already checked the error code detail. This is the wiring related code because it comes and goes. The machine itself is not permanently fault. No, now we test this wiring harness. Check all wiring harness. One more thing, interesting thing I want to share is that whenever any fault comes appear in our machine related to sensor or any parts, we first have to search for the component because of dust, dirt and grease and crinkle. uh, Many parts are hidden, so we must locate the before starting any work. See the condition. See this dust, this cool. It's not properly cleaning our machines because they have more dust. We must set the where if we remove any parts, first we must search where is the location. When we remove the crinkle and dust, then we finally found the sensor or any harness connector. This is interesting our machines. That's thing. See this wiring. This wiring condition is not good, but we first test if we found any connector loose or anything. when when one of our specific machines break down, we have to repair that part very quickly and in short time because we have limited machinery available. From the condition of interface wiring is clear that is not good condition. We will trace the near the ACM connector. See, this is the ECM module. We also check this connector, ECM connector. This one ECM assembly. We diagnosed the machine before Maghrib time. Now it is already night. Let me check the wire twisted together or can communication wiring. We are checking to see if there have any loose connection. This can communication twisted wire can communication wiring. We test but we did not found any loose connection in near ACM. There is communication wiring is properly with connector. Connect with connector. We also check this connector. I checked the detail of this code in the catalog and it related to CAN communication. However, because of the accelerator signal, I still have some doubt. So I am also checking the sensor. Finally, we decide this wiring, interface wiring is very bad condition. We want to replace this interface wiring. We have new wiring harness. It's good that spare parts are available, otherwise because we have a shortage of machines and only specific machine, the repair will take a lot of time. It's good this new wiring connector. This one data communication connector. Here we also fix their scanner and scan the. Finally we remove the old wiring connector. See, now we remove this main connector. Now we will show you interesting thing. Finally we this interface harness. Finally we found the fault. See, this one pin have broken inside. See, before we test more thing, but when we want to replace this wiring, then we find that this pin is broken inside this wiring, because of this wiring is, I think this communication harness connector, this wiring I have interface from the back side. The wire has come out and the pin is overhand. Finally we found the problem. Alhamdulillah, we have spare part. If not available spare part, then we have specific machine have more problem. But we shoot this video still at night, and I am alone, and I also use this one hand with camera. I shot the video. Now we decide this. We replace the complete this interface harness. We remove this connector, ECM connector. See, there have one Allen key built. I think this number 4 number Allen key. We want to remove this connector. It's not easy. We shoot also video and we are work with. Finally we remove this wiring. Remove this all wiring out and we will fix new wiring there. Now we remove this old harness. See, this condition is very bad. If we fix this wiring, then we take more time. We don't have here spare machines, because we decide we fix this new harness, inshallah. Then we will continue this video. Now we fix this connector, and we don't have this spanner. I think this 15. We use this jugaad. You know jugaad? We fix both of connector. Here we fix this. This ACM connector 14 pin connector, and this 22 number wire is the CAN communication wiring. Okay, finally we fix this connector and ACM. Now we will fix complete this interface harness. This old harness. I also fix this both of connector. They have power ground and also interface, accelerator, and also communication wiring and more. Now we will go inside cabin and we start the machine, and we will show you about this code. Now we try to start machine, and you can check this about this error code. Now we on ignition switch. Now we again open this diagnosing switch, and again this on display. Then we try to this switch left side, press and hold, then show the code in display. Now we start the engine, and the light is still blinking. About this about this error code before we found this related to CAN communication. Complete expression.